Hey, what's up everybody, Enrique from Spoke Squad here, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my 2008 Haro F3. This bike is overall 24 pounds, which is pretty light, not too heavy, but pretty nice. Let us get started on the bars. The bars are 2015 GT Performer bars. Got it from my friend Austin, who's also part of Spoke Squad. Big thanks to him. Anyways, the stem is also a GT Performer. Yeah. So, the grips are from my old bike. New bike, you could say. The DK Deca. My sister's in the background saying some random things. But don't worry about that. The bar ends are DK Decas as well. The frame is the stock Haro F3 frame. The two rims are also the stock F3 rim. Also stock. They're from the F3 series. The crank is Haro F3 as well, so stock. You can say everything's stock about this, but I'm gonna keep going. Pedals are metal, so you can hear that. Oh, kind of actually. They're from the F3 series as well. The seat is from my DK. Since I got a new seat, but it's actually plastic. Yeah. The tires are from the DK Deca. Now, these things are ugly, okay? Believe me. They're actually really ugly. They're not good to ride. I would not... Like, if you get the DK Deca, switch these tires immediately. If you're going to park, these are not good at all. Get something like slick, like some fit tires or something. Just get some folded tires. I don't know. Who cares? Just don't get these ones. They're 20 by 2.125. It's pretty thin. Now the chain is a red KMC chain. Looks nice. The sprocket is a 35 teeth. I'm pretty sure. Not too big, not too small. It's probably between both the big and small. But I could replace it. I could get a smaller sprocket because I have a small chain for the 25 teeth. So I could replace that. The forks are F3, Haro F3 ones. So you can pretty much tell. Look how scratched it is. Look how scratched this bike is. Now I got this bike off of Gigi, okay? I did not put that much scratches. I put some scratches, but not this much scratches. I never cared about BMXs a long time ago until now. Well, not until now, but until like a while. But, pretty sure I mentioned everything. Yeah. So, this is the 2008 Haro F3. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll answer you, or someone else will. Who knows? But see you guys in the next video. Could not be me, could be me. Who knows? Could be another bike check from another member of Spoke Squad. So far I've been uploading like the only videos on Spoke Squad. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.